Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to add a custom domain to O365 tenants. Adding custom domain is a part of basic O365 configuration steps. Before adding custom domain, let's see the difference between custom domain and initial domain. Initial domain is something like value.onmicrosoft.com, which is created by Microsoft during the sign up of O365 creation. It cannot be renamed, and there should be only one initial domain for any O365 tenant. Custom domains are the domains which owned by us by purchasing it from the domain DNS registers like GoDaddy. Typically, we can add 900 domains and subdomains to O365 tenant. Microsoft do not charge for adding custom domains, and we can add custom domains for trial subscription also. So to add a custom domain, go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center, then Setup, and select admins and select domains. In this case, itsummer.onmicrosoft.com is the initial domain, and we're planning to add a new domain named amar365.com. Just provide your domain with a suffix like .com, .it or .in, and click on use this domain. Next step is to verify we are the owner of the particular domain. So we can verify by any of these three steps, like adding a txt record or adding an ms record, or even adding a text file to a domain's website which is published already. So I'm going to add a txt record, which is a recommended step, and click continue. To verify your domain, just copy your txt value and place it in your global DNS and click verify. Usually it will take some 5 to 10 minutes to replicate, and click after 5 to 10 minutes. So I have added it in my domain DNS provider. So yes, it has been verified, and in the next step we need to provide some values in a DNS so that we can use some services like Exchange Online, Teams, and Intune. So I'm going to add those values for my domain since it is a very first custom domain. Click next. So it will show some DNS record to be added in our global DNS. So just copy those values, MX records, CNAME, and TX records for Exchange Online. And also, if you're planning to use the Microsoft Teams, then we need to add this custom CNAME records and SRV records. And if you're also planning to use the Microsoft Intune, we need to add those CNAME as well. So since they are very sensitive, to avoid a human error, we can download this value as a CSV file, and then we can add those values into the DNS. So I have just downloaded the file and I have copied it now. So once you have added and those values are verified in the DNS, click continue, and I have added and verified. So my domain setup is complete. So you can see that the added domain status is healthy. So next important step is to make this custom domain as a default domain. So for that, select and change it to default. It will give you a warning that going forward your custom domain will be the primary, and even if you add a new account and mailboxes, that would have this amar365.com as a default domain. So just click on set this default. Now the setup has been completed and we successfully added a custom domain to a new tenant. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos. And thank you. This is Amarnath. Bye.